How to use offline maps without internet. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download offline map without internet. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now let's dive right into it. So to use offline maps, you'll need to download areas within your map, such as you can download areas within your Google Maps while connected to the Wi-Fi and then access them without data for searching. So first locate your Google Map and then open it up. After you've opened up your Google Map, you will then need to tap the city or region you want for your trip. So select a location. After you've selected a location, you can simply swipe up. You'll find the city's location. Then you can tap on this More option. Then you'll find Download Offline Map option. Tap on it. And you can drag or zoom to adjust the map. Zoom in to adjust the map and then tap on Download. After you do it, the download will be started and it will take place in the background. And yeah, it's that simple now. After the download completes, you can always just open the map up, go to that certain location, and then use it offline. So there is an expiration date, so downloaded maps expire after a certain period and needs to be updated. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.